that's right.
Are we using our spoon?
Very good.
Is that smoothie good? Yeah?
Show Daddy how you can use that spoon so proficiently.
That's right,
That's
Dad.
Oops, that's the wrong side. That's how we do it. Good job.
Yum, yum.
Good job, Lucas. Uh-oh. I hear a rumbling.
Is there a rumble down there?
Yeah.